Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel on how to learn Mauritian Creole language. It is very simple. Hope you will like it and please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Lesson 24 On a casual conversation two friends is having after meeting each other after a long time. Hey Lindy, how are you? Hey Lindy, gimana? I'm fine. And you? Moi bien. Et toi? I'm fine also. Moi bien, moi aussi. It has been such a long time since we did not see each other. Il fait un bon moment qui nous pas trouve chaken là. Yes, I think it has been since 8 years we left school. Oui, me pensé in faire 8 ans depuis nous quitte l'école. You know, I miss our school days. It was such a memorable moment. Tu connais, me marque, nous ban jour, l'école, les tiennes, ban moment mémorable. Yeah, now everyone is married and busy with their own life and problems. Oui, aster, tout infini, avec, occupé, avec, propre, la vie, problème. So, how many children do you have? Sinon, combien d'enfants tu as? 2 children. And you? 2 enfants. Et toi? Me, only 1 child. A boy. Moi, un seul enfant. And garçon. So, housework. Sinon, comment travail était? Work is going well. Travail correct. But due to coronavirus, we are keeping our social distancing. Mais seulement à cause corona, nous gardons nos social distance. The bus is coming. Peace, fini. Will you also go in the same bus as me? Est-ce que toi aussi tu peux aller dans le même bus que moi? Yes, I work nearby restaurant Simon, so I will get off there. Oui, mon travail précoce restaurant Simon. B. Mopu descend là-bas. What? Don't tell me. Qui? Pas dire moi. Yeah, it's true. Oui, c'est vrai. So, how come we did not come across each other? P. Comment nous capables pas joindre nous camarades? Don't know. Maybe it was destiny. Pas koné, capable, tidant, aster. I'm pleased to have met you today. Mo bien content, mon joins-toi aujourd'hui. Hope to see you again. Tiens bon, nous rejoindre encore. So, Andy, I invite you on Saturday evening at my place. What say? B. Andy, mo invite-toi, moi samedi après-midi. Qui te dire? Okay, that's great. And we also have a lot to talk more. Ok, bien bon. Nous en cause encore le ban faire. Ok, bye. See you on Saturday then. Ok, bye. Me trouve-toi samedi alors. Yes, have a nice day ahead. Oui, passe une bonne journée devant. Guys, this video is about two friends meeting after a long time. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.